Hi everybody, it's Diana from Sew Outside the Box, and today I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on how to square up a piece of fabric. Okay, so what does it mean to square up your fabric? Well, it just means that your fabric was not straight when it came off the bolt, or more often, the person who cut your fabric didn't cut in a straight line. So we're just going to recut to get that straight line. So here is a good example of a piece of fabric that is not straight. So how am I going to get this fabric straight? Well, first I'm going to make sure that the selvages are lined up. And you know that the selvage is the finished edge of the fabric, and it contains the maker information and color information about the piece of fabric. So once my selvages are lined up perfectly, I hold up my fabric. I'm not sure you can see it in the video, but if the fabric is not hanging straight, then I need to slide one of my selvage edges over until my fabric hangs perfectly straight. And then once it's perfectly straight, I'm going to lay it down, but I just want to show you how much I had to slide, and you can see this space here, which means that the fabric is not cut straight. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to put it down and smooth it out. I have my fabric laid out on the table, and I'm going to fold it in half one more time. This part is optional if you have a long ruler, but if your fabric is 60 inches wide or you have a small table or cutting area, then you might want to fold again. Now I'm going to line up the bottom edge of my fabric with a line on my cutting mat. The bottom edge of my fabric with one of the horizontal lines, and then I'm going to move to the side line, but first I have to make sure that all four layers are past the line that I'm going to line up with. I'm just going to move it over just a bit. Now my fabric is on the line. I'm going to cut right here. This was off quite a bit. Put my ruler down and go ahead and cut. Now my fabric is squared up, and I can move on to cutting the fabric for my particular project. So that's it for squaring up a piece of fabric. This technique is particularly useful in my Tic Tac quilted pillows box. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.